Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, art teacher will come now.
Yes.
Art teacher will come now.
Actually, I am about to take leave in upcoming week. It is something in a confusion state. So I am taking an extra class today so that I can just brief you about examination. And if you have any query regarding examination, you can discuss with me. So if in
What are we going to
case,
do today, ma'am?
yeah, about ICT, we are discussing about examination that is going to happen in the week 18 to 22. If you have any query, you can ask me right now. I have uploaded the syllabus in Google Classroom. You must have read that syllabus. Just a minute. And so that if I am not able to take the class in the upcoming week, so that would be no loss for you. And I'll try to take the class. Yes, Hina, tell me. Sarah,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please explain
Ma'am,
what we have to
we
do in
have
the
to,
syllabus?
ma'am, we
Please, I'm
have
getting
to
confused.
do in the class or at home.
yeah, I'm telling you. So I have uploaded the syllabus in information folder of Newton, and then there I have written that their exam will be conducted in two modes, right? Because we are working in ICT, na? So ICT is something related with the practical experience. So until and unless you are not showing me something, then that's not a work. Bilal, why you are making faces?
I'm just nodding my head.
So the first thing is Google Form. I will create a Google Form. In Google Form, there will be one question and some options will be given. There may be three options, there may be four options. Out of the number of options given to you, you have select only one option. You have to make a tick into it. It may happen that in Google
Yes,
Form,
ma'am, we have done that in the social exam last year.
yes.
The
In the
Google
same
Forms.
way, we will be doing it in with ICT. And initially, I'll give you some space where you have to write your name and your class, and then you are going to attend the questions. And at last, there will be a submit button that you have
Good
to
morning,
click.
ma'am.
Good morning. The second
Is
part.
art class?
In the
Ma'am,
second part,
in what do you mean by Google Form?
yeah, I'll show you that also. I'll show you that also. Let me give you the brief first, then we will come to the more
This is art
comprehensive one.
class.
The second thing is project. In the project, what we have to do, you have to write an algorithm. Remember, and I rejoined back the classes and I have started teaching you. We have discussed about algorithms. And I've shown
Yes.
you how to create algorithms.
Ma'am, there is algorithms in this, ma'am. Scratch, ma'am. There are algorithms.
Before Scratch, we have started. We have created that square boxes, right? And you people told me that you have worked with MS Word. Remember?
Yes.
You know how to create anything in MS Word?
Yes.
So what you have to do, you have to open an MS Word document. There, all the boxes are available. You will choose, I have told you, Hinda, I have told in the class, because of some personal issues, I may take leave in the upcoming classes. Just to brief you about the examination, I have took an extra class today so that I can make you people more comfortable with the examination. If you have any query regarding examination, you can discuss it with to me. That is why I am here and your art teacher is not. So, so the thing is, what I was saying, yeah. So you have to create an algorithm and submit it to me. And the topic about the algorithm is now I am going to give it to you, right? So this is about your content. Now let's see what we are going to do. The very first thing I've told you that the exam is divided into two parts. The one part is Google Form. The Google Form will comprise of 15 marks and it will be based on chapter 1, Nature of Technology. Why we have picked this topic, why we have picked this chapter? Because this chapter we have studied in the earlier classes in the starting phase of this session, and we have to remember all these things throughout the life, so that it is the basic awareness about the computers. So we must be understanding, we must have some understanding about these topics, and we should remember all these topics, right? And the second part will comprise of 10 minutes. Google Form, you have to do it in the class itself. We have our session on, I think it's Monday or Monday name. We have a session on
Ma'am,
Tuesday.
ma'am,
Yeah.
that Google Form, that 9 dots, that one.
Yeah. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Ma'am, can you show now?
I'm showing
Screen share.
you. I'm showing you. Okay. Just a minute. You people are able to see my screen.
Yes.
I have to go to my mail first. Google Form you have to do in class itself. When we have scheduled session, the timetable will be soon get shared with you all. And the project that I'm giving you, you can submit it on 15 or before 15. You can even submit it today itself. If you have some time, create the project today and submit it to me. Okay. And where you have to submit it into my Google account, my Gmail account.
Ma'am, that
And how-
Google Form. Only Google Form?
No. Google Form you have to do in the class. The project you have to
Oh.
submit into my mail ID. Okay, I'm going to
Mail.
share my email ID in Google Classroom itself. You can share, you can send it to me, send your project at any day, at any time. Even in the night, 12 o'clock, if you are going to submit, I have no problem with that. But before 15. But if you delayed in submission, then I am deducting the marks. I'm going to deduct the marks. Okay. Yes. Somebody was saying something. Yeah. Tell me.
What is the project?
The project is to create an algorithm. Okay. I'm going to give you the topic of algorithm also. Let me come one by one. You know, because right now we are discussing.
Google Classroom, you will send the topic.
Yeah, in the Google Classroom also I am going to send the topic. I'll just share the topic right.
It can be any type of algorithm.
Algorithm does not have any type. Algorithm don't have any type. Picture. Just a minute, I'm lost. 1 second. Huh? It went here and there. I hate this. 1 second. Huh? Right now we are discussing about Google Form. So we will keep our One second. See, this kind of content you will be finding in your place. You have to fill out the form. and this will be shown to you. Something like this is going to shown to you.
Okay, ma'am.
This is not the
Oh.
proper
Ma'am, I
question
didn't get
paper.
what to do.
I am again telling you this is not the actual paper. This is just a sample how you are going to do. And the question paper will be something different. Now what you have to do, read out the question. There will be some fields. Let me finish first, bacha. There will be some fields. There
Ma'am,
you have. Acha bolo. Say,
Ma'am, I don't know what did you did right now.
I have did.
Ma'am, which is the input device which we used to type, ma'am? Keyboard, na ma'am.
Keyboard
One
Port
minute.
out.
and speaker.
Anyways, there was a tab beta which is written fill the form. You just have to click into the fill the form. I will be there in the class itself. I will be there. And if you
Can you
have any
scroll down?
problem, just
Yeah.
Scroll down, na ma'am.
yeah. Wait a minute na. Tumhi log bolte rahoge to how I will go. Let me finish with him. Somebody asked me na what I have did. There was a tab. You have to click into the tab first. Okay. And I will be there in the class to help you with this thing. I'm not going to tell you the answers, but I can help you with the processes. Okay. So here, which is the following is the input device. You have to click into one device. I have clicked this. Then come a little down and there is another question. What is an output device? You have to click into one output device over here. And here I have made only 2 questions, but you will be having 15 questions in the exam paper. And then there is a tab which is written as submit. Okay. You have to
Have done.
click into this button. If you did not done this, then your work will be lost. So you have to submit first. See, your response has been recorded. Leave it, leave the site and go relax. Okay. So this is how you are going to fill the Google form, right? I think we
Yes,
have done
ma'am,
with
very
the first
easy.
part.
This only much we have to do. This only much we have to do.
Yes, yes. This is the exam that is going to
Ma'am.
conduct on that particular
Okay,
day.
so basically
Let me
only I-
finish first. No? So this is you are going to do on that particular day on the exam day. You know? And the project you can do it right now. Yes, tell me. Someone yes, Bilal, you are saying something?
Ma'am, what type of algorithm do we need to make?
Yes, I am coming to that also. I am coming to that. See, you have this MS Word document. You have already worked with MS Word. I have told you, I have taught you how to download a picture in MS Word. And you people also told me that you have already done something in MS Word.
Ma'am, I forgot.
So how it is not good now. How could you forgot? No problem.
I
Just
don't
open
know,
up.
ma'am.
See what I have did. I've just opened up the MS Word document, right? You also can open up the MS Word document. Everyone can able to open up the MS Word document. Just a minute, someone was asking me something. Is there some doubt regarding Google form to you? Then I am coming to algorithm. Is someone is facing any problem with MS Word, Google form? Anyone? Understood how
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
going to
No.
perform your
Ma'am, we
examination?
did that question paper on
Yes.
Google Form last year only, ma'am, in social.
Yes. Still, I need to brief now. So I'm briefing you out. If you are having any problem, tell me. Yes, Ikra, tell me.
Ma'am, what is ma'am, we have exam which date is that?
The timetable is soon going to share with you. And we have the session on that particular week. That would be your exam. Probably that would be the day of your exam. But timetable is going to be shared. Okay. So now here, what we have to do to create an algorithm. Yes, Hinda Kazu. Yes, Hinda.
Ma'am, how do we do that? You told me that Google form, I didn't get it.
Okay, Hinda, what you will do, I am going to upload today's lecture in YouTube. You just go through with that. And as soon as we have some, if still you face some doubt, you just message me up in WhatsApp. Okay. I'm definitely going to answer you. Okay. Just go through once more. Will it fine with you? And till then, let me finish up with this algorithm part, the project part, and pay very good attention with the project part right now. Still, if we find some time in hand, then I'm going to show you once again. That's okay with you? So now everyone look here and keep a focus on what is there with your algorithm project. So how you are going to create an algorithm? Algorithm is all the steps that we are going to follow before we start any program that we have done before we have started with Scratch, right? So how we are going to do this algorithm? We just open up this MS Word document. There is an icon of MS Word in your computer system. You just have to click into it. And as soon as you click, you will get this blank page. Now, everyone pay very good attention where I'm going. Go to this insert button. Okay.
Yes, you insert photos.
Yeah.
Photos
In
through.
this insert button, you will find this shapes. Click into the shapes. You will find this box. Okay. So this box, you are going to choose a box with a one lesser corner. This is called as the start box. Okay, sorry. You are going to insert a oval box, ovals, not a circle or oval box. Before this, just let me put it a little down. And I'm going to write something over here. And what I'm going to write? I'm going to write the topic. So topic is algorithm of decorating a hat. Okay.
Ma'am, we
Now-
also have to write.
Yes, you also have to write.
We have to also write the topic.
Yes.
Algorithm of
Yes. Not
decorating hat.
Yes, you have to write the topic, but topic would be different. Here, I am giving you the sample. Decorating of hat is the sample. But in your exam, whatever the topic is, that you have to write. I'm going to give you the topic also. So now, inside this box, you are going to write something. So just double click into it. And it's not allowing us. So, okay, no problem. We are going to take a text box and we will put the text box inside. And we are going to write. What we are going to write? We are going to write start. So remember, we have done in the class about this button, this kind of thing. Done? We have already done with MS Word. We have done with this algorithm. Now you have to combine these two things together. Is it fine with you? Any problem till now? If you understand this step, then algorithm is nothing important with you. Got it, bacha? Bilal?
No,
Ikra?
ma'am.
What no?
How
What
you
no?
bring the text?
See, here we have a text box. Can you see this? Draw a text box.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have took the text box. See, I am got one more text box with me. Okay, I'm showing it again. Okay. So now what I am going to do, I am going for insert. I will took a rectangle, and because after getting started, we are going to use a rectangle. Here is the rectangle. Now I'm going to write the process in the rectangle. So what I will do, I will take the text box. I will write inside the rectangle. So now what I will do, I will see, I'm dragging the rectangle and keeping it a little bigger in the size of my box. And now I am writing the process. The process is take hat and fix flowers with glue. Right? Now I have to connect these two boxes
Ma'am,
together. Just a minute.
we can take any shapes.
No. What you are saying, beta? You didn't done the algorithm. We have done the algorithm, na? Algorithm, we have to use this rectangle box
Yes,
for
ma'am.
process. And to start and to stop, we are going to use this oval boxes. You can't take any box of your choice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now we are going to insert an arrow to join these boxes. So we see how we are going to join the box. See, we have joined two boxes
Ma'am, how to join?
with the arrow. See, I have brought the arrow from insert only. I'm using only insert and shapes, nothing else. See, here is the
Okay,
arrow.
ma'am.
Okay, now I am taking one more arrow so that I can go ahead with the next process. Now the next process is whether you like the hat or not, right? After fixing up the flower, you just have a look on the hat that whether the hat is up to the your mark or not. So what you will do, you will take an insert button, you will go with the shapes, you are going to take a rhombus shape, and I'm not finding that rhombus shape where it is, when it is, yeah, here it is. And see, there is a rhombus shape. I'm going to fix the rhombus shape over here. And now I am going to write with the help of text box. And what I am going to write, whether the thing is
Ma'am, there is one more.
see how I am adjusting it. You do it in your mobile phone also now with your photographs. In the same way, I am propping up the box. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Editing.
Editing. So, like the head or not? Like. So,
That is
now
too short.
it's okay. You can write it in a bigger line. Yeah, I'm just showing you and so that you can understand the concept first. Now, if you like, then you will stop the process, right? So in order to stop, I have to take another oval with me. There's the oval shape and this. Okay. Now again, I'm going to take a text box. Again, I'll put it over here and I'll fix it according to the shape of my algorithm box. I'm just setting it up in the same manner. And here
Ma'am,
I'm going
stop.
to write stop because it's going to be stopped. Stop. And abhi isko connect karenge. So to connect, I am going to insert a arrow. And here it is. Right? But if I don't like the hat, I want to make it something beautiful. Hamza, why you are fighting with me? Hamza! I don't know any Kung Fu styles. Don't show me your martial skills. If I don't like, I have to fix some more beautiful decorative pieces. And so I have to repeat this particular step again. So in order to do that, I'm going to pick an arrow. I have to make this process again. So I'll put one more arrow. Yes, you have to draw this. See? Fix the arrow from this place. And again put an arrow, take an arrow and put it over here. Right? So until and unless you like the hat, you have to continue this process. And as soon as your work is done, you will stop the process. So is it right? Is it okay? Did you like it? Understood? Any problem with anyone?
Yes, ma'am. This is the project.
This is the project. Now the topic I'm going to give you, but tell me if you face any problem with this.
No, ma'am.
Fine. Sure. With algorithm, with MS Word, anything, any
Yes.
problem? Ikra, Hinda, Sara, Bilal, Arhan. Tell me.
Ma'am, in algorithm, how many topic will come?
Only one topic I'm going to give you, and that you are going to create at home. Even if you find any
Okay.
problem, drop me a message. I am going to help you out. Now, should I share the topic with you?
Yes.
So the
Yes.
topic is to create an algorithm of your favorite recipe.
Recipe.
Yes, a recipe. Now recipe, how many steps are there? See, if I am making a milkshake, take a milkshake. How if I am going to make a milkshake?
Milk.
So what ingredients I need to take? So I am going to start, and then the first process is to assemble all ingredient, milk, sugar, and mango, a mango milkshake for mango milkshake.
No, ma'am.
Then the next
And-
process is make it short now. The next process is
Okay, ma'am.
cut the mango in different pieces, in small pieces. And the next step is to take the blender and put 1 glass of milk, the pieces of
Ice.
mango, some ice, and some sugar, and blend it. That is the process. Now you will just take this decision box, the rhombus box, and see whether the taste the shake and see whether it is good of taste or not. So if it is not good, you will blend some more, or you will stop the process. Isn't it? Isn't it interesting? So
Yes, ma'am.
create an
And ma'am,
algorithm with your favorite recipe.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I will write like and stop.
Okay. No, make it more specific, huh? Make it more specific. Take the dialog boxes, which will help you to create the more specific processes. Okay, if you want, you can take a screenshot so that it will be helpful for you in the while creating the algorithm. Otherwise, I'm going to upload this video today in Newton's YouTube channel,
Okay, ma'am.
and
Ma'am, we
you
will
can refer
write.
it also.
Ma'am, we
Any
will
problem?
write.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
Ma'am, we will write the topic also.
Yes, you have to write the topic now. Otherwise, how I am going to understand? So you will write algorithm
Ma'am?
of recipe or the name of the recipe. Yes, Hinda. Tell me. Yes, Hinda.
ma'am, do we have to make the recipe and show you, or we
No.
have to write? There's
Right.
a triangle box. We have to write in that.
Yeah, you have to take these boxes and write the recipe. Nothing else. You don't have to create it. You don't have to make the video out of it. You have learned to listen. You have already learned about making cookies and making pizzas, right?
Yes.
You can even take that recipe. No problem with that. You can take any recipe
That
of your
will be
choice.
too big. That.
Yeah. So take a small recipe of making a milkshake, making a chocolate, making a cookie. Cookies making is also smaller steps.
Yeah, we have lots of recipes.
Yeah, there are a lot of recipes. So use whatever recipe is liked by you and which is very easy for you to create, right? Yes, Hinda, is there something else you want to say? Is anybody is having any problem? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
Understood about the examination? So there will be 2 phases.
Yes.
Now this 10 mark, this exam is conducted with 10 marks. Okay. And take as many creative ideas into it. One important thing, you have to submit this project on 15th or before 15th. But if you delayed in submission, then I'm going to deduct marks. So you have all around 8 days in hand to create this project. So why don't you use your time and complete the project right now? Right? Bilal,
Ma'am, where
where
is
are
your
the-
email ID? We will send now.
Yes, you will send it in my email ID. I'm going to upload my email ID today in Google Classroom itself with a brief of the project that I have just discussed with you. Okay. Okay. Yes. Any problem?
Yes,
till
ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm stop sharing this now. And now let's discuss about chapter 1. What happened, Nida? What happened, Bacha? Any problem, Beta? Nida?
No.
हाँ, you can ask me, beta, if you have any problem. Even if you find any problem, you can message me also. If you find it a little difficult in front of students, then you can message me. Please be comfortable. Yeah, tell me. Hindi में बोलना है तो हिंदी में बोलो. Try to speak in English, but if not possible, don't keep your doubt inside
Ma'am,
you.
there is network problem.
कोई problem नहीं बच्चा. If you are hesitated in talking in English, then use at least clear your doubts. Okay, you can drop me the message if you face any problem. Okay, so let's start with the first chapter. I'm not talking about the second chapter, first chapter, nature of technology, right? So in nature of technology, I hope you people
Where is the
understand.
algorithm?
Algorithm is with
In
the
third
scribe.
chapter.
In third chapter, right?
In third chapter. Yes, yes, yes.
Got it?
Activity. Yes.
Ma'am, I have notebook.
You don't have book? Beta, go to Google Classroom, information section of Newton. There we have uploaded all the books. You have the soft copy of books in the Google Classroom. Yes, this is what I am expecting you to do. Okay, so the books are there in Google Classroom itself. Okay. So now let's go ahead with nature of technology. So the nature of technology talks about the input devices and the output devices. Can you please tell me what is the input device? Tell me, what is the input device? We are talking about computers, na?
Ma'am,
Give the
input
example.
device like keyboard or mouse.
Yes, and
Keyboard or mouse.
anything else? Give me
A
another.
microphone, speaker.
Microphone is a input device or a speaker is the input device? Yes, Nida, are you raising the hand? Nida,
Ma'am, microphone.
are you raising the hand? Yes, microphone is the device that is used to hear something. But a
And camera.
speaker is the device that makes
Yes,
my
yes.
voice going inside the computer. So speaker is the input device and microphone is the output device. Remember your, what you said, camera. Camera is an input device because it takes
Yes.
the picture inside the computer system. Monitor is an output device. Now let's talk about output devices. What are the output devices? Monitor, printer,
Monitor, printer, and
microphone we just discussed,
yes, ma'am, microphone,
speakers,
speakers.
right? These
Yes.
are all the output devices. Okay, tell me about, what about this mobile phone? Whether this is resemble to a computer or not?
Ma'am, show, ma'am, show.
This mobile phone
From behind.
is, why? I am behind of the lady.
No, ma'am. I want to see. That is iPhone.
I don't use iPhone. Anyways, what about the mobile phone? Is this computer or not? Okay, about your iPhone, Sarah, is this a computer or not?
Yes.
We have technology all around us. Nowadays, mobile phones work as computer works with some sometimes more feature into it, sometimes less features into it. The difference is with the computer system, we have a bigger screen, bigger workplace, but with mobile phones, we have lesser workspace, lesser screen. But we have access to whole around the world, right? So
Yes.
this is the first chapter we are discussing right now. And now the next topic in our chapter is about the computer diagram. You can see a computer system over there. with the keyboard, with the screen, and with the mouse. Now, the most important thing about the computer system is the computer system works with the electric signals, right? The only thing that runs the computer is the electric signal until and unless the battery is not charged, right? The battery is not
Ma'am, this one?
charged. Yes, this is the computer system, right? So if the battery is not charged, then your computer system won't work. So what it is doing, it does not have any brain. It does not have any common sense. What the computer does, it does with the help of electric signal. So according to the electric signals, all the commands have been written inside the computers, and the computer is going to follow those commands to do all the work that we are assigning it to do. Getting it? So computer system is a particular device which works on what? Computer always work on electric signals. Where computer works?
Electric
Computer
signals.
works on electric signals.
Electric signals.
Right. So electric circuits are used to make different works to work. जैसा light में on and off होता है ना, in the same way, computer system also works with the basis of on and off system. Whatever you see the display now, it works on and off system. The light is off in a particular place, their display is not there. If light is on, the display is there. Okay. So come in the computer, what we have, you must have seen around initially in around 10 years ago, 4 years ago, we have the mobile phone with a chip. You sometimes see when you change the mobile phone, someone just put a key in this place and just drag this chip. You have seen the mobile phone chip, a SIM card.
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen the SIM card, na?
Yes.
The same kind
Yes.
of chip
Yes.
that is called as chip, the same kind, something different, some different structure, but it's more or less look like a SIM card. SIM card is another thing, a different structure, look like a SIM card. It's just as small as a SIM card or a little big, and that is there inside the computer system. And that is the main thing, the main brain of the computer that helps the computer to work all the works. Okay, so whatever the thinking process goes on with the computer system, that is done in that small little cell. You know, your brain is also very small. You have such a big body, but inside your head, the brain is only how much gram the brain has? The weight of brain is how much? Do you know?
1 gram.
It's 3.5
Half gram.
3.5 gram.
Oh,
With this whole
Okay.
big body, even if a person is 100 kgs heavy, the weight of the brain is only 3.5 grams. And in the same way, the computer system has a small SIM that works all the arithmetical logical units. And that chip is particularly, that chip is called as CPU, Central Processing Unit. So computer works on what? Input device, output device, and CPU. Input, CPU, output, right? Got it? So this is all for today, and we'll discuss some more facts and figures in the next class. If I'll try to take the next class also. It may happen some things are going in the next week. So we'll try to meet in the next class. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can drop a message to me, and I'm going to upload everything that we have discussed today in the Google Classroom. Just refer to that and create your project as soon as possible. Okay. Bye-bye.
bye, ma'am.